I'm Mr. Fine, I'm assistant head at Delph Side Primary School and I teach year 3. And we were recommended last year by one of our local high schools and another school that we're sort of linking with, and they both recommended us for the loan project scheme. And we learned everything, because I would say I knew nothing about 3D printing. So literally everything from how to unbox it, how to set it up, how to put the filament in, and then what the potential was for use across the curriculum. And seeing all the different things that she showed us, that was the power of what we could do.
I'm nearly in year 6 from Delph Side. I want to be a game designer in the future. Well, I also want to be like a 3D printing engineer. Having my stuff printed is just amazing, just seeing it come to life.
I'm Molly and I am in year 6 and I go to Delph Side Primary School. So you were able to make key rings and you were able to make little designs. When we do loads of designs on iPad, I normally get a bit confused on it. So I've been asking the teachers, and when they explain it to me, I get it more and I know what to do. You can have tons of fun with it and you can make anything out of it.
I think the wow moment, when they saw that first thing printing off, I think that's been it for the children, that when they see their model come off, and they come in every day and there's always a crowd round because they just pop in to see what is printing today.
My name's George, I'm in year 6 and my school name's Delph Side. I went to the 3D printing club and I just got to make anything. You can customise objects to like make it the shape that you want, and then you put it into like the 3D printer thing and then it'll just 3D print it. If there's anything that you need to do but you don't have the right tool, then you could like 3D print the tool.
My name's Harvey and I go to Delph Side Primary School. I'm in year 6. I didn't really know anything about 3D printing. I just thought it was a cool thing where you could just make whatever you do on computers. 3D printers are way more modern than you'd actually think. It's just really fun to just make something on the iPads and then it'll just come to life. There's been a lot of best bits. Like when you're walking, you just feel good because like you're dead excited to make something.
Oh, thank you very much for allowing this project to be happening in primary schools, because to have a 3D printer in school is amazing.
Thank you very much.
A big thank you to BA Systems. Thank you very much.
Anything is possible with enough technology.